Guys, there is so much fear in the market right now. Now, the total market cap is around $929 billion, and the price of Bitcoin is around $19,800. Now, this is as a result of what has been happening earlier this year, starting from the lunar crash down to other crashes we have seen, which we're going to be talking about in this video. Though we'll see Michael Saylor and El Salvador buying Bitcoin. Now, these are good news, but I can tell you, we don't know what will happen next. We don't know whether we'll have more lows to meet. To my opinion, I don't think it's over for Bitcoin at the moment. I believe we're still going to extend probably to 10,000. Now, why do I say this? Because of what is happening across the board. Everybody is talking about inflation right now, and not just that, the Fed increasing the interest rate. Now, this is one important one. Because why? I don't think that the Fed are going to stop right now. They keep increasing the rate, and the more they do that, the more it hurts Bitcoin and other asset class in the market. Now, looking at what is happening in Bitcoin at the moment. Now, look at the greed index. Now, the greed index as of last month, last week, yesterday, and now is at extreme fear. When people behave like this, I can tell you, people can panic sell. So the Bitcoin index right now is at extreme fear. Now, why are people afraid? Because of what has been happening. Number one, now we just have Celsius. Now, Celsius is one of the biggest DeFi platform where people do lending and borrowing, and not just that, people also save their cryptocurrency in those platforms so that they can earn 10% APY in a year. Now, this is what Celsius offers to people, and look at what is happening to them right now. Celsius just collapsed, whereby that people are unable to do withdrawals, and it brings so much fear. Now, the question is this: will you still leave your money in centralized DeFi platform? Now, that's the big question. If you're still going to leave your money in centralized DeFi platforms, looking at what has just happened to some of them. Number one is Celsius. Celsius is collapsing right now. Nobody knows if they are going to get all their money. They are currently in debt about $10 billion or more. This is a very huge amount of money we're talking about right now. Now, after Celsius, we started hearing about what? Voyager. Voyager is almost doing the same thing that Celsius does. Now, right now, Voyager has just paused what? Withdrawals, trading, and deposits. Guys, what does that mean? It means that the company is in trouble. They lack capital. Their money is going down. So now, this is the big question. We're talking about DeFi. Now, in DeFi, should you trust centralized platform or decentralized platform? To my opinion, I guess you should trust decentralized DeFi platforms. Because why? Your money is safe. Now, since all these things has been happening, nobody has had that compound had issue or curve had issue. Now, these are decentralized DeFi platforms. They are still up and running. But look at these centralized DeFi platforms like Celsius, like Voyager. All of them are going down right now. And I can tell you, they're not going to be the only one. Because why? If the selling pressure continues, seeing a lot of companies going out of business in the crypto space. Now, this was exactly what happened in 2017, 2018 bear cycle in the crypto space, where we lost so many crypto exchanges like Cryptopia, like Coin Exchange, and the rest. I have my cryptocurrency in those platforms, and I know the ton amount of money I lost with Cryptopia, and I don't want to make that mistake. So my advice to you in this video is for you to withdraw your money out of crypto exchange. I'm not talking about all the crypto exchange. All those crypto exchange that has low volumes. All you need to do is to withdraw your money out of those crypto exchange that has low volumes to maybe to your Trust wallet or to your metamask. Now, this is where it is safe, because if you leave it in any kind of crypto exchange, they might get hacked or they can run out of liquidity, and that's the end of your money. So you just have to act fast so that you will not lose more in this bear cycle. All right. Another news right now is 3 Arrow Capital reportedly filed for bankruptcy. These are hedge funds filing for bankruptcy. All this news can cause more selling pressure. Accompanied with what Fed is doing, it can cause a lot of selling pressure in the crypto space. All you need to do is to plan yourself, try as much as possible to save yourself from the future loss by making sure that you don't leave your money in centralized platform. Move all your money to decentralized wallets. For example, Trust wallets and metamask and X.dot wallet and so many other decentralized wallets we have. This is also another news where Coinbase and Blockfi are laying off their staffs. Because why? They don't have more money to pay these people. The company is actually in debt. They are looking for a way to lay off some staff so that they can actually put some things in place. Because why? All these things happening in the crypto space in the last few months is badly affecting these companies, and you as an investor need to protect yourself. With what is happening right now, I can tell you it is very, very important that you save your remaining funds by taking them away from low volume crypto exchanges. Because why? We have been seeing that DeFi platforms, majorly decentralized DeFi platforms, are being attacked by this bear market. So try as much as possible to move out your remaining funds from low crypto exchanges. Now, what do I mean by that? Those cryptocurrency exchanges that you know that they don't have much volume, you need to move out all your cryptocurrency out of those platforms and send it to a decentralized wallet for more safety. Now, looking at the Bitcoin price at the moment right now, in the morning I did an analysis, expecting more sales in Bitcoin. You can see what I just explained to you guys, that the market can decide to push up, which was exactly what is happening. And I told you guys, even if I want to take Excel, I will never take Excel at this range. For example, I will never take Excel at this area where the market was at that time when I did the video. I told you guys I wouldn't take a sell, because why? I saw we have just broke structure. We just broke structure, and because of that structure because of the structure we have broken, the market is pushing up. You can see the market has actually break another structure. Now, what do I expect next to happen with Bitcoin? Now, this is what I expect to happen. Now, I'm expecting a pullback. Now, if I'm expecting another pullback, after this pullback occur, I'm expecting another break of structure, another pullback. Probably the third pullback might not happen, but I'm looking at the market. I'm looking at the we attacking this high. Let me show you. I'm looking at for us to attack this high. Now, from this high, I will start looking at how the market is forming at that level, looking for lower lows, and start to taking the market short to the downside. So this is what I will be expecting for the market to push up to get to that level, which is at the price of I'm expecting Bitcoin price to get to 20,927 to start looking forward for shorts. Now, immediately I start seeing the formation, I'll start looking forward for shorts. Now, which formation will I be looking for? I will start looking at the market, seeing how the market is, causing break of structure, going to the downside. That gives me the sign that the market is about to go down. So with that, I can actually start shorting the market from that level. So that is just the Bitcoin price at the moment. So all you need to do is to, plan yourself in this bear cycle and make sure you don't take another big loss, and try as much as possible to keep protecting yourself. I know you have been enjoying this video. Like this video, subscribe to your YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next video.